Starting off on the 50-kilometer loop on the Friday of the Horsey 100 Bike Tour. Get a bit of this countryside. It's one of the nicer roads we've done on the Horsey. Horse free zone.
Right across the hall. Not sure what. You're with an evil person.
We're ready for our big Saturday ride at Horsey 100. We're gonna maybe do the 70-mile loop, but I think Beth's gonna talk me into the 60-mile loop, but that's cool. And it's a beautiful morning. What's the temperature?
13, 12, cold.
Celsius, cold. Feels pretty good. Staying in a different hotel this year. It's okay. I wouldn't recommend it, but good enough for Microtel. There are lots of cyclists here.
I called it a goose or something.
We're getting chastised at the start line.
That's what.
I wasn't expecting to see him.
Yeah, get some more Gatorade. Some candy. Stopping here to see the covered bridge.
Came here to give you one more hill, Wayne. Yeah. I know.
Alright, and there is the bridge. Hey. Look at my friends here.
You get a picture of Nancy first?
I will. This is Millersburg, the town that time forgot. This used to be a thriving Main Street at one point, but now it's a little down and out with a lot of boarded up businesses. Still look beautiful. Here's our final treat, a float. Can I get a root beer float too? Fantastic. That's okay like that.
Okay.
That's great. Thanks a lot. How's your root beer float? Floaty? To float your boat?
That's nice.
All right, last stop. 10 kilometers to go. Finish line. Look at their smiles.
Nice and strong. It's Canada!
We woke up on Sunday morning to cold, wet rains, about 10 degrees Celsius. And some people are going to go see horses today, and I think the rest of us will wait and see if it warms up and dries up a bit. So bravely, the three of us are going to head off into the rain. It was dry for the last 2 hours, but now it rains. I think we're going to see some rain. So we're setting off with the start finish into the rain. So I'm glad we did do the ride. Despite the fact that it's consistently drizzled on us, it's been pretty pleasant, really. Here they go. All right,
Love it.
loving this rain. This is the town of Midway. Midway through our ride today. 21 kilometers in. There's a snack stop up ahead. Train still goes through town. Milk. Sign made me laugh because when it says the end of Scott County maintenance, the road suddenly gets better. Old church. Like half the turkeys. Ward Hall.